Think you know spaghetti bolognese? What if I told you there's a secret recipe? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwanifemi. These are my ingredients. Here I have spring onions, I have regular onions, I have my blended tomato, I have bell pepper, I have tomato paste, I have cayenne pepper, I have garlic paste, I have parsley. Also, I have parsley leaf, I have my seasoning, then I have my spaghetti. The best way to make your spaghetti is to put your spaghetti in a boiled water. Then for the sauce, I fried my onions, then I added spring onions, then I added pepper, then I fried for about 5 minutes to enhance the flavor, then I added my tomato paste, and I fried for 5 minutes. And I added my blended tomato. For this blended tomato, you can decide to get from the store like Tesco or Sainsbury, but I prefer to blend my own tomato. Then I added the seasoning, which is Maggi and salt. Then I fried for about 10 minutes. Guys, if you're still here at this point, please subscribe to my channel. Please share my channel with your friends, like and put a comment right on this video. Then in another pan, I added my oil, my onions, my spring onions. Then I fried together for about 2 minutes. Then I added my parsley fresh leaf. There's one thing about parsley fresh leaf in spaghetti, it just enhances the look and the taste. Then I added my garlic paste, which I fried for 2 minutes. Then I added my pepper. As a Ninja babe, I must chop pepper. So I fried for 5 minutes. While frying, there's one thing I want you to know about my secret recipe. But before I tell you my secret recipe, I want you to subscribe to my channel. I want you to share this recipe, this particular spaghetti bolognese with your friends. Here I added the parsley leaf, then I added my corned beef. Write in the comment section, I would like to know how you love to make your spaghetti bolognese. Like, how do you like to make it? Is it in the Italian way or Nigerian way? Just let me know how you love to make your spaghetti bolognese. I uploaded a video last week on Nigerian jollof spaghetti. I want you guys to watch the video. I want you guys to like the video, and I want you guys to please comment on the video. It will go a long way for me. And please, I want you to share it with your friends. And next week I'll be uploading a new recipe on spaghetti or any other kind of dish you want me to record video on. Just comment right under this video. Then now our sauce is ready. We are going to add the spaghetti, the one I boiled. Then you stir together for 5 minutes. Then you cover it and allow it to steam together for another 2 minutes on a very low heat. Then you add your veggies. You can add broccoli, you can carrot, you can add green pea, whatsoever you want. But for me, I have just bell pepper in my fridge, so I decided to put my bell pepper. But then guys, go ahead and add any other veggies you have in your fridge, and you can send me a picture or you can just comment right in the comment section. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like my video, please comment, and please share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.